As I'm showing you the three kind of Z scores. First, you see this is a Z score for emerging markets and non-manufacturers, that is 1.1 to 2.6. Okay, then comes the next revised Z score, that is 1.23 to 2.99. This, and then guys comes this Altman Z score. Altman Z score. Okay, so Altman Z score, here is the equation. Z score is generated by calculating 5 key ratios. So these are the 5 key ratios जिनके थ्रू इनको जनरेट किया जाता है, which are then multiplied by coefficients, predetermined allocated weight and added together to reach out to a single discriminant score, the equation to compute Z score. So x1 is working capital to total asset, x2 is retained earning to total assets, x3 is earnings before interest and tax to total assets, and x4 is market value of equity to total liabilities, and x5 is sales to total asset. And this Z score starts from 1.81 to 2.99. So we have three figures now, 1.1, 1.23 and then this 1.81. So everything else is same, just this number has been changed here, it's 1.81. So mind it, there is no concept of ideal score. The computed Z score indicate the likelihood of failure bankruptcy as per the table shown below. So now this is the Altman Z score. Let's see a practical insight as well. The original data sample used by Altman consisted of 66 firms, half of which already had filed for bankruptcy. All businesses in the database were manufacturers with asset base of $1 million or above. Altman found that the ratio profile for the bankrupt group fell at 0.25 average, and for the non-bankrupt group at plus 4.48 average. Okay, so basically ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जी स्कोर को यूज़ किया जाता है ये पता लगाने के लिए कि कौन सी फॉर्म्स हेल्दी है और कौन सी फॉर्म्स बैंकरप्सी की तरफ जाने वाली है. तो हम बोलते हैं उन फॉर्म्स को कि या तो आप बैंकरप्सी फाइल करो या फिर कुछ ऐसा, मतलब उनको बेसिकली क्लासीफाई करने और मतलब रिकॉग्नाइज़ करने के लिए ये जी स्कोर है. तो यहाँ पे 66 फॉर्म्स के ऊपर ये एक डेटा सैम्पल ओरिजिनली जो है का कैलकुलेट किया गया था, जिसमें से आधी यानी कि 33 अप्रॉक्स तो पहले से ही बैंकरप्सी के लिए फ़ाइल कर चुकी थी, एंड बाकी तो सो दिस हैपेंड.